Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Today's an exciting day because we're finally starting the garage build. And this is the first video in the series. The first thing we're going to be starting with before doing anything in the garage is going to be the lighting upgrades. Right now, as you can see, we've just got these small little bulbs. I'll turn it on for you to see. I think it's just a basic halogen bulb and it's super yellow. As you can see, it's like a warm yellow color. So I'll turn that off. I'm gonna be upgrading my lights to these 4-foot LED shop lights. These are just under 4,000 lumens brightness each, and they can be flush mounted or they can hang from the ceiling. So we're gonna be installing these right up in our ceiling today. These lights are from a company called High Quality Lighting. They're down in the States and you can actually get them on Amazon. So I'll have a link, of course, down below in the description. We'll do a quick unboxing here to show you what they look like. As you can see, the light is actually 4 feet long. It's just LED lights. They're small LED light tubes with like a casing around it. And then you mount it on the bottom here. So let's get this plastic off. They have included some of the hardware that you'll need, especially if you want to hang them. Alright, so let's plug it in just real quick to test it out and see. Alright, so turn it on. Whew, that's super bright. That looks awesome. Put that on the car. Look at how it looks on the car. It looks awesome. Yes. Perfect. Alright, so I've decided on mounting them actually horizontally up here on the ceiling, so across. And if you look on the side of the box, there's actually a spec that reads the distance between the holes to mount the light is 46.5 inches. So initially I was gonna use these chains to hang it, but I think I'm gonna opt to just use these screws because they can flush mount right in here like that. And then we'll run this wire kind of down along the ceiling into the bulb sockets, which is what we're gonna use to be able to control it by flipping up the light switch here on or off. And then we're gonna use this piece here, which plugs into the socket that lets us plug in the lights. Alright, so we just measured it and we used a small leveler to make sure we had it straight, which proved to be a bit challenging. You might need 2 people for that. And then we mark the holes, and now we're just gonna drill it in. Alright, so we just got the light mounted up. We're gonna do our best to like secure this wire up here later on. But for now, we're gonna get it wired up and test it out. So I'm using this small little plug. And what's really great about these lights is they're only a 2-prong outlet. Quite a few other lights on Amazon are actually 3-prong, and that will not work with the standard bulb outlet. You need to get an electrician to wire in a ground for you on that so you can use the 3rd prong. But this one is just perfect because it works with this 2-prong connector just like that, and you can screw this right into the bulb socket. And then we're gonna screw this small thing in here. Perfect. And then we just literally plug this in. All right, so now for the moment of truth, we're gonna turn it on and see what it looks like. I really like that position. I think it's gonna look really good. Hey, there we go. That looks insane. It's so bright. Look at this. Oh man, it's so, look, compared to that's insane. Look at the car, look at the white paint, it looks so good. When we're doing detailing, when we're doing work, we're actually gonna be able to see so much better than with these ugly halogen bulbs up there. Oh my God. All right, so now we're gonna just do the other side real quick. These are Heiko Liddy lights from Amazon. They're pretty nice. The quality is really nice actually. They're actually pretty lightweight and they're pretty bright. So we basically just took the hardware that's included, and on the end of each light is this hole and the screw goes in, and then you slide it over and it holds it like that. And each of the light holes is the same direction, it slides. So it's actually pretty secure, it won't really fall out that easily. And then I'm just gonna measure the holes again. 46.5 inches is what we did. And then we just drill them right into the studs. If you're not using studs behind there, like we've seen where they were, then you'll want to double check that and use the proper mounting screws. You might need drywall fasteners, but for us, we have a stud right there, so it's pretty easy. Should be good. All right, so now for the ultimate moment of truth, we're gonna see how they look. I'm super stoked. Let's go flip the switch. Alright guys, so that's it. As you can probably see in the video now, the lighting is so much better. It's actually even better than I expected it to be. I knew it was gonna be pretty bright, but it's actually amazing. It's almost like a dentist office in here. It's so bright. I kind of want to do 2 more, like 1 down there on each side maybe. We'll see. But yeah, if you guys want to check out these lights, I'll have a link down below in the description to Amazon. They're literally so cheap. They're not even expensive at all. They're cheaper than going out to like the big brand stores and buying them from their lighting sections. And the install is so easy because they're 2 prongs. You can literally just plug it into the socket like we did. Or if you have an electrician or something, you can hardwire them in and like hide all the wires. But for this install, it was so easy, literally less than half an hour. You might need a friend's help, so thank you to my friend here for helping. Be sure to leave a comment down below what your thoughts are on the new lighting setup. I'd be super thankful for that. As always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are. Oh, good. Oh, it's dangerous. All right, and now the moment of truth. We're gonna turn the light on and see what it looks like.